Homemade blackhead remover strips. Want to get rid of those nasty blackheads? Blackheads are tiny bumps or swollen pores caused by the accumulation of sebum, dirt, makeup, dead skin cells and other impurities. It is common for people who have oily skin type and also in combination skin type, where it occurs around the T-zone areas. The main problem is that it doesn't come off easily as it lies deep down in the pores. There are few blackhead remover strips products available in the market, but they only work partially and also causes dryness and redness. Homemade pore strips are safe, remove blackheads deep underneath the skin and saves money. Just follow these steps to get rid of blackheads and leave the skin clean, clear and smooth. How to make blackhead remover strips. Ingredients you need: hair remover wax strips, gelatin powder, lemon juice for oily and combination skin and milk for dry skin and sensitive skin. Brush. Method to prepare and use blackhead remover strips. 1. Take a wax strip and cut into 4 or 5 equal sizes and keep aside. Refer to the below image. 2. To prepare homemade pore strips, dissolve a tablespoon of gelatin powder to 3 teaspoons of warm water. Now, add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice if you have oily or combination skin and a teaspoon of milk if you have dry or sensitive skin. Stir all the ingredients well. 3. Using a brush, apply a thick layer of this mixture on one side of the wax strip. Immediately place on the area where you want to remove blackheads and gently press so that it strongly sticks to the skin. Before you use this blackhead remover strip, it's important that you steam your face well to open the pores, soften the blackheads, making it easier to remove. 4. Once it has dried completely, hold one end of the strip and slowly pull it out. Rinse with cold water to close the pores. The pulling motion can cause a bit irritation, so once done, massage aloe vera gel. Yippee! You have successfully removed all the dirty blackheads from your nose.